Hey guys, today we're making an ironing board cover. I've listed all the supplies on the screen if you'd like to screenshot, and I will include links to everything I used in the video description. Let's get right into it. As you can see, my ironing board really needed a refresh. I've been meaning to do this for months, and I thought it'd be the perfect cozy project to share here. I've made a mini ironing board cover before, so I knew this would be a great beginner-friendly tutorial. First, pick a fabric that's plain cotton or linen. You want to avoid synthetics because the heat from your iron will damage them. Lay out your fabric and then place your ironing board on top. Trace all the way around the board. I used a fabric marker that washes out, but you could also use heat erasable pens or tailor's chalk. Now measure how much fabric needs to wrap around the board. My board is a 1/2 inch thick, and I added 1.5 inches to tuck underneath. So I added 2 inches total around the traced line. Add your extra measurement all the way around your tracing. That new line will be your cut line. Now, using the line you just drew as a guide, cut out your fabric. Next, we're going to cut out our batting. This is the one I used. Lay your batting out flat. I used 2 layers for extra softness. And then you just want to place your fabric piece on top and cut the batting out to match. Now just sew the batting and the fabric together. I used my serger, but a zigzag or a straight stitch on a regular machine works fine too. To add the elastic, start with a straight stitch to secure one end in place. Then switch to a zigzag stitch and make sure it's about the same width as your elastic. You can kind of see me play around with my machine until I get the right width. Once you've gotten everything adjusted, put your needle down. You want to hold the fabric behind the foot and stretch the elastic out in front of the foot, and then just start to sew. You want to go a few inches at a time. And when you stop, always stop with your needle down to adjust. Notice how the fabric is starting to bunch up in the back. You want it to do that all the way around. For the curves, you're going to treat them the same way. Don't be nervous, just take your time. And don't forget to backstitch when you're done. And there you have it, a brand new ironing board cover. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave any questions or comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching.